On today's body cam, we're checking out Taco Bell worker snaps after customer throws food first.
No, you're not. You're going to stand at the front of your car.
I got to go close down my store.
I don't care.
Okay then, so if you don't care, so why you up here trying to resolve an issue
Because
over a racist ass bitch that threw food in my face?
On November 26, 2024, police were called to a Taco Bell after a food fight broke out between a customer and an employee. Here's what happened that day.
I did not! Yes, you did!
Hey! Chill out.
She threw at me and smacked me in the face.
We'll figure
I ain't
it out.
smacking in your face. Oh, I should've.
All right, come on.
I should've.
Let's go over here.
I should've.
Let's go over
I
here.
should've.
Let's go over here.
I'm over here. Don't do that. Cause she already came here throwing food at me. I mean, you can talk. All that grabbing your taser, you ain't got to do that. I'm in my
I'm
establishment.
going to tell you this.
This is my job.
It don't matter. You can still go to jail.
Well, I don't care about none of that. All that white privilege stuff, you not about to come throw no food in my face. I don't give a fuck.
Down.
Period.
All right. So, now that you ain't yelling at me, what's going on? What happened?
What had happened was, she came back, she told me to remake her order. I remade her order. She came here talking about, bitch, get my money back. So she's trying to explain the order. I'm telling her, well, ma'am, they remade the order because you said you wanted a Bel Grande. What you really trying to order is a loaded nacho. She said, I don't give me my money back, and threw the food behind the counter. I threw the food back. So what's the problem? You throwing food at me?
I came up here. I ordered food. I've been on the road for 5.5 hours. The first time she gave me literally my entire bag was wrong. I drove 10 minutes down the road before I finally saw that my bag was wrong. I turned around and I came back. I sat in the drive-thru for 15 minutes. Nice, very patient, very polite. Didn't see a damn word, didn't get rude with them or nothing. I am one to get rude with somebody when my food comes back 2 times bad. I go inside. I say, can I just get my money back? I said, this is not how I asked you. You came to the window, asked me how I wanted it. I said, this is not how I wanted it. Can I just get my money back, please? I asked nicely. Asked them for the recording. I asked nicely until she took what she had in her hand and went like this and threw it across the freaking thing at me. Gets it all over me because I'm walking away. She literally gets it all over me because I sat there and said that I would go outside and call the fucking cops and get y'all over here. She goes and throws a water bottle at me. The water bottle slams me in the side of my face right here. Yes, that is what she hit me with. I did not start saying nothing except for that I was going to have her job and that I was going to call y'all and I was going to press charges against her for putting her hands on me because she did. She came out here, and my daughter got it on recording, her getting up in my face, shoving me.
She shoved her, and then one of the...
every time.
Do you have that on recording?
Yes, sir.
Can I see that, please?
And sir, every time, I backed up. There were a couple times I was like this because of the fact she kept getting up in my face. And at one point where you go and you throw not just one thing at me, not just 2 things at me, then she throws the water bottle, hits me in the side of my head, then she starts throwing cups at me, cups all over the floor.
Junior was in here whenever we saw her get started.
My 10-year-old son was inside of there too.
I have this one whenever they had gone inside. I have 4 different videos because my phone's on 1%. Hold on, let me send this one.
And then I have, look, you see it in her hand. This is the first thing she threw at me, in her hand. I said, all I'm asking for is my money back. That's literally all, from the beginning, that's all. When I went in there, I said, look, you didn't make this right for the second time. I just want my money back.
I got food all over her. She said
as I was walking away, look.
Of her pushing her. So
She decided to throw food at me. No, I had not. No, I had not. You threw food at me. I put the food on the counter. I took the food. I had 2 different things, okay? The one that I just that ain't even true. I handed you the food in the drive-thru.
Yes, sir.
I did not even hand her workers.
No, it died, but it's charging right now. And
I did not even hand her employees did not even come to the drive-thru until after after she had it handled the first time. Honest to God.
Okay. See, okay. So it seems like we are getting to the whole food thing, because that's the thing that I'm trying to figure out, who threw the food first, because there's similarities between both stories. You know, that food was thrown, but there's some differences where the white lady is saying that she didn't throw food and, you know, food was just thrown at her. But if we're gonna go with that story, how did the lady get the food, the worker, you know what I'm saying, to throw the food? That's why the black lady story made sense initially, okay, because it makes sense. She came in there because she frustrated because the food is wrong. That all makes sense. She wants a refund. They're explaining it to her. All that stuff sounds great. And then, but the black lady is saying that the white lady threw the food at her, and so she picked up the remaining pieces and threw it back. Now that makes sense. I'm not gonna lie, that makes sense as to why, you know, food going back and forth. The white lady being frustrated by the order, that all of that sounds great. And I like a story like that because the one person is also saying what she did wrong as well. It's not just one-sided, you know. So she's saying, yo, I threw food at her. This is what happened. Boo. So that sounds great. But now when we hear the white lady's story, she's saying she didn't throw food at her. She sat it down on the counter. Now that changes things completely. If that white lady didn't throw food at you first and she placed it down on the counter and you took it upon yourself to start throwing stuff at her, you going to jail, man. So hopefully they got some good video footage, you know, that could correlate this story that she's saying, man.
When I went in there, I said, look, you didn't make this right for the second time. I just want my money back.
I got food all over her. She said
as I was walking away, look.
Of her pushing her.
She decided to throw food at me. No, I had not.
Yes, you had. Y'all ain't start recording until I came from behind the counter. Y'all ain't start recording until I came back from behind the counter. And my employees can vouch for that. Because you just threw food at them and drive through.
I'm trying. This is all this yelling. We ain't gonna have it.
So what need to happen? Because I'm gonna get her money back.
What I need to do is I need to see the video.
No, now you want to go get her money back? Nah, you're lying. You should have been gave her her money back then. If now you want to give her her money back, nah, that right there is telling me a sign of guilt, man.
I ain't responsible for that. You call my manager for that.
All this yelling, we ain't gonna have it.
So what need to happen? Because I'm gonna get her money back.
What I need to do is I need to see the video.
I ain't responsible for that. You call my manager for that.
Can you give me the manager?
I don't call him. He got to turn around all the way and come back from Midland. I don't call him.
Okay.
And if I gotta close the store and wait on him, we can.
You ain't gotta close the store.
No, I am. Okay. Because of people like that, I will.
That's up to you. So do me a favor like I asked you to.
No, I don't call him already.
Do me a favor like I asked you to. Stand at the front of your car like I asked you to.
No, I'm going back in the building.
No, you're not. You're gonna stand at the front of your car.
I gotta go close down my store.
That I don't care.
Okay then, so if you don't care, so why you up here trying to resolve an issue over a racist ass bitch that threw food in my face? Make it make sense to me. Make it make sense.
Yeah, but is she racist, or are you just calling her racist because she's a white woman and and you're a black woman? Yeah, come on now.
Quit yelling at me.
I ain't yelling at you, but the same way she got her old-tone voice telling you and calling me a bitch.
I already asked you to calm it down.
Okay, but I'm telling you.
The next time I say to calm down, you're going to go to jail for disorderly conduct.
All right,
so stand at the front of your car. That's him right there.
All right, T need to come over here.
That's
I'm done talking to you.
Okay.
I am. So you can just get
Okay.
And then she can get on with me because of the fact that I ordered it wrong.
All right.
I ordered it
wrong. She don't want to deal with me no more. She asked for my supervisor.
Oh, please do.
Okay, when you...
Oh, yeah. I
That's right, dude.
I did not hit
I done told her. I
nothing
done told her to quiet down twice. Told her if she keeps on again, I'm gonna lock her up for disorderly conduct.
Please do, because she hit me upside the freaking head.
listen.
Threatening when she even threatened to sick her parents on me, her mom, her sisters, and all this shit.
My face first.
Okay.
But y'all asking her if she okay. Y'all ain't ask me. Yeah, he didn't take pictures of the whole scene. You can go behind the camera too.
That's fine, but I'm trying to take a picture. You're standing right in the direction,
You
right in the way.
can. You can. I'm not in your way.
Can you come over here so I can take a picture of the whole
I
situation?
promise you, I'm not in your way from what you're trying to take a picture of. This what he want to take a picture of, y'all. And he's saying I'm in his way. He's saying I'm in his way from taking the picture.
Did it just land right here?
Take a picture.
Is this it right here?
Yep, take a
Okay.
picture.
I did.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Back away
All
from
right.
my phone.
I need your name, phone number.
Notice how she using words like attack and all of this and that.
Okay.
And she threw
Oh,
up
no, it's public property. I
me and
can't.
my employees first. Notice how she using words like attack. From when
Yeah, look,
I said
here,
words
I want
like
you
attack.
recording.
From the right, he
beginning
was
again.
coming over here
I
telling me he'll
literally
lock me
came
up, but he said nothing to her.
All right.
You gonna threaten to
I'm
arrest her
trying to
too?
get information from you.
Yeah, but why you ain't do that when you first
Because you
pulled?
were here yelling and screaming.
I wasn't yelling.
Okay.
You asked me what happened. You ain't trying to get my information until you fully got hers.
Okay.
But it's two officers on the scene.
All right.
No, police.
It's all on body cam.
Okay, but police protocol, if it's two people on the scene.
How the hell are you gonna tell him what police protocol is, man? And you fucking work at KFC Taco Bell. Like, come on, man.
One of y'all go talk to one, you go talk to the other.
Exactly right.
Yeah, but you ain't never made no contact to come talk to me. You just went over there like we
It's all
initially
body cam.
attacked
It's
her.
all that's on camera.
And I know, that's why I'm saying, that's why I got it on camera too.
This has been active since I got on scene.
And mine
I'm not going to
too.
argue with you. I
Mine
need
too.
your information. I got that.
Yeah, but you
I need
on,
your
let me
phone
get,
number.
no, I give you my license back.
I need your phone number.
Yeah, but that's my name and stuff right here.
I've got that. I need your phone number.
No, you get the store number, 706.
I need your phone number for the report.
706.
All right, Key, I'm about to go ahead and detain her.
706. Now you doing
All right. So turn around, pretend like you're back. Cooperate.
Y'all see this right?
Ma'am?
Y'all see this right? Y'all see this right? Y'all see this right? Y'all see this right? Hey, y'all see
Now, hold, I'm gonna continue to play it.
this right? Y'all see this right? Record it. Record it. Y'all see this right?
Hold on.
Y'all see this right? On Facebook Live. Record it. Record it. Get my phone.
You get your phone.
Oh, no, I to get my phone, cuz. So now you move my car, cuz. Move my car. Move my car. White privilege. In Waynesboro, first time. White
Yeah,
privilege.
let's go. Get in the
White
car.
privilege. White privilege. White privilege. I can get in the car.
You gonna get in my car.
Don't put your hands on me.
I just
You
had-
couldn't ask me no questions properly. Don't put your hands on me. Straight up.
Get in the car.
Yeah, I can. But don't you put your hands on me.
Yeah, get in the car.
Yeah.
What the heck? That was now I see what you guys be talking about with the abrupt endings. But listen, I don't know what she was actually charged with or anything, because I don't think you have to give your phone number for a police report. Like I don't think that's a requirement, because not everybody has a phone number. And that was the whole thing about her. Now, if he's locking her up because she's being loud and disruptive or whatever, something along those lines, then I can understand that. But for the officer to get mad that she didn't want to give her phone number, I'm not necessarily sure that she has to. that's yeah. I don't think she has to do that, but yeah, it is what it is, man. She still deserved to get locked up, you know, but I would think she gave other reasons to get locked up besides the final straw is, oh, she doesn't want to give her phone number, where I don't think she has to, though.